Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly ad and inserts. This video is going up super late because I went to the store on Saturday and they did not have the newspapers out. I was highly upset, but it's better late than never, as I say, because I did not post one last week, and this week is actually a good insert and weekly ad. Weekly ad, maybe not, but insert is pretty good because you get the P&G, SmartSource, and Retailmenot. So if you just want to get the newspaper for the inserts, I highly recommend that. And then we're going to go over Target and CVS as always. All right, before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you're going to do any of these deals. I probably won't do any of these deals, but, you know, never say never. I don't know what's in store for this week, but that is my plan for right now. So the first thing that we're going to go over is the coupons, just so we can get an idea when we go through the ad. So we're going to go look through the P&G first. So P&G is usually has the same thing all the time, every month. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit for you guys so y'all can look at it. So we always have the Pantene deals. There's the $5 off of 3. There's $1, $2. On this side, there's always Olay products. So there's $2, $2, and $1. Herbal essences. You have some Always Discreet, Old Spice, some Head and Shoulders. Usually when the P&G comes out, you usually kind of know what to expect in the ads also, because they usually have the deals surrounding mostly the P&Gs. Alright, so you have some NyQuil, some sinus medicines, Z-Quil. Absolutely love Z-Quil, you guys, because I can't sleep worth a crap. So I have to take that sometimes. Alright, here is some oral products. Always have that in the P&G. Tide. A lot of people go and buy the Tide. That's what I usually buy. That's the only reason why I pretty much get the inserts when the P&G comes out, is because of the Tide, because Tides always have high value coupons. They're always $2 or $3. And then on this side, there's a lot of Downy and Bounce, which is pretty good. Also, you can always do a great deal at Target with their gift cards. There's Mr. Clean. There's some Dawn, but this Dawn is for two Dawns. Yep, 2 Dawns for the Ultra dishwasher. There's Cascade, Febreze. This one's actually buy one get one, and then this one's also buy one get one. All right, and here is some paper products. There's always Puff and Bounty and Charmin. Here is a Gain. This is buy 2 also. And then you have some Vitamin products. Alright, and here is some baby products. There's always going to be Loves and Pampers. Usually never Huggies. Here is some deodorant, body wash. Here's some shaves, razors, Venus razors. There's always a good deal at CVS for those. And then that is it for the P&G. Moving right along to the SmartSource. So there is extra virgin olive oil. Absolutely love this brand. I love using extra virgin olive oil for anything, really. Zoom y'all out just a little bit. There's some oatmeal. Here's some cereal. I usually don't buy these. I usually don't buy cereal, like 2 cereals at a time, so I really don't use that coupon. Here's some grill seasonings, marinades, some cheese boarded. They usually don't have that at Walmart. I think it's like very rarely. I never see it. So I have to like go to Greer's or something like that. There's toothpaste, toothbrushes. Always a good deal. Usually they have a deal at CVS for that. Here is some White Castle People's Magazine. If you like to read about gossip, I do, but I just go to Barnes & Noble and read that instead of buying a magazine at the store. Here's some string cheese. Never saw this brand at Walmart or anything like that, so I'm not sure where you can find those at. Some sandwich meats. Here's some Glade products. There is a buy one Glade product. And I'm guessing you get one for equal or lesser value. Oh, it's free one Glade product up to $2 value. That's pretty good. So go and get you that. So that is everything for the SmartSource. Moving right along to the Retailmenot. Retailmenot all is always a good brand. They usually have stuff going on at CVS and at Walgreens. I usually don't highlight Walgreens because I really don't go and shop there because it's just stressful to me. I don't know why, but it is. There's mayonnaise and Dijon mustard. I'm really thinking about buying Dijon mustard because I really want to smear that on my fish and then crust it like that. So I think that would be pretty good. Here's some Tums, Gas X, laxatives, any of that stuff. You have some butter and some Rice Krispie treats. If your kids like the Rice Krispie treats, that's a good one. But you have to buy 2 for that. This is pretty good if you like using paper products. Sometimes if you have a barbecue party, anything like that. If you go to Walgreens this week, it is buy one, get one free on the Dixie products. So you can use this dollar and make it, and you can get both of them for like $2. So just a heads up if you want to do that. I think that's the only deal that I might do this week. And there is some gum. All right, moving right along, we are going to go over to the ads. All right, so we are going to do CVS ad for you guys. So the CVS ad goes from August 25th through August 31st, so always a week. And let's get into it. So, as always, like I said, if you see the P&G, you can expect this deal to be popped up. It's either 20 on 5 or 30 on 5 or 30 on 10. So just to let y'all know, these in the blue area, you can use any of your P&G coupons for it. I'm not going to go too crazy into details. Y'all can see it from here. I will zoom in for a second for you guys, just so y'all can screenshot it, and then y'all can zoom in more for yourselves. But it's always a good deal. I've kind of veered off from doing that deal because I always try to go to Target because I'm trying to save gift cards for Christmas. Alright, so we gotta zoom out just a little bit more because it's just, the ads are just huge. Alright, you have your school products. There's batteries. There is gift cards. When you spend $50, you get $10. Palmolive and Air, they're $1.99 with your card if you want to do that. Here is some snacks and stuff. Buy one, get one 50% off. Nothing really going on. Alright, so in here there is some gum. When you buy any 2, you get $3. There's some Pringles and some drinks. It's 3 for $5, and there's a $1 manufacturer coupon on the app, making it 3 for $4. Let's see. You have some candy deals. So Dove is 2 for $7. There's a $1 extra care buck that you can get after you buy 2, making it 2 for $6. The Twix, I think, is the fun size pack, the 9.9 to 11.5. 2 for $6, you get a $1 extra care buck, making it 2 for $5. You can go ahead and stock up for Halloween if you can, because, I mean, it's still going to be good. It's going to last. Here is some makeup deals. There's some mascara and some eyelashes. Next up, there is the spend 20 and get $5 again. There's some Aussie and Pantene Head and Shoulders, just to name a few things that can be added to that deal. Nothing really going on here. Vaseline, there's usually some Vaseline in the Retailmenot insert, but there wasn't any on the hours. But it is spend 12 and get $4. Toothpaste. This is spend $4.99. There's a $2 extra care buck, and use that manufacturer coupon that I showed y'all, making it only $1.99. The Crest is $4.99. There's a $1 manufacturer coupon. It's like getting 3 for it for $3.99. Plus you get a $2 extra care button, making it $1.99. Here is some more Colgate. It's $2.99. There is a $2 extra care buck whenever you buy it, and then you get it for 99 cents. Cinnamon products. Spend $30 and get $10. Here is some medication or anything. You have eye stuff. You have allergies. Advil, Excedrin. This is all buy one, get one 50% off. Here is some vitamins. Also buy one, get one 50% off. And more. Buy one, get the second one for $1. Alright, and then on the back, the all coupon that I showed y'all, it is $2.99. There's a $1 manufacturer coupon, making it only $1.99. This is actually probably the best deal, besides those paper plates from Walgreens, but the best deal out of CVS to me, just to me. A lot of people will like the category coupon with the 20, spend 20, get 5. Here's some makeup deals that y'all can look over for just a second. Garnier Fructis, it is 2 for $7. There's an instant coupon, and there's usually a $4 off of 2 in the newspaper. I usually don't get Garnier Fructis coupons in the inserts. Like I said, it is a regional thing. So the coupons that I get, you might not get, and then the coupons you get, I might not get. So that's just a disclaimer. But you end up paying $2 for it for 2, so that's $1 a piece. Alright, you guys, so that is everything for the CVS. And just a reminder, it is from the 25th through the 31st. Alright, the Target deal. It's all about school. School should be in session. A lot of people go at the beginning of September, but down here in the South, all the schools are back in. So, there is some school supplies. More school supplies. Whenever I was at work, I was looking at the ad at like 3 in the morning. And there's supposed to be a category coupon for toys, but I don't see it in the ad. So I'm going to have to check to make sure. And if it is, then I will just go and let y'all know down in the description if there is a coupon for toys. Because it was like spend $50, get $10 in gift card, or $5 in gift card, and then spend $100 and you get $10 maybe in gift card. So I'm going to have to go and verify that. Taylor Swift, absolutely love Taylor Swift. It just came out on Friday. 4 versions, $16.99. Usually they're like $22.99. So go get your Taylor Swift if you like it. Alright, food deals. There is the Pepsi, soda, and Frito-Lay snacks purchase of $20 or more. That includes Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Aquafina, Starbucks bottles. There is Lay's chips and dips, popcorn, Doritos, Lipton's tea, stuff like that for you guys. Here's some more food stuff that I'm going to highlight just a little bit. Nothing really. Alright, for baby stuff, when you buy 2 of the Pampers, diapers, training pants, you get $10 back. There's some formula, some snacks for the kid. Down here in the very corner, there is the spend 4 and get 3 $5 gift card. It's on Tresemme, Dove, and Dove Plus Care. Pretty sure y'all can find some coupons. There's probably coupons from a couple of weeks ago or last week that y'all can do. Buy one, get one free on Bic, Schick, some Jergens, Bedhead, number 7, anything like that. Revlon, buy one, get one. Actually, it's not. Buy one, get one 25% off. I thought it was buy one, get one free. Every time I see BOGO, it always goes to buy one, get one free to me. Some of our BOGO is buy one, get one free, 25% off on puppy stuff. And then cleaning products, buy one, get one, 20% off. So like I said, nothing really good. The only pretty good thing is this deal is when you spend 3, you get $10. But it is on the big ones, the big containers, so the big packs of Charmin, the big packs of Tide Pods, the jugs. So just to let y'all know about that. All right, you guys, so that is it. I'm going to zoom out. So we went over Target, we went over the CVS, and then the inserts, the inserts, Retailmenot, SmartSource, and we had the P&G. I hope y'all guys love this video. Let me know down below if y'all are going to do any of these deals. I'm not sure if I am, but I just wanted to show y'all these just so y'all can get an idea, jot some stuff down, so maybe y'all can go and coupon or Ibotta shop or anything like that. I will see you guys later and hope y'all are having a great week. Bye, you guys.